Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Easy Fix Tech Tips. So guys, in this video I will tell you that how you can copy any file or any folder or anything in Windows 11. So in my case I will copy that shortcut and I will try to paste it in that folder. So to do that you just have to right click on that file or on that folder which you want to copy, and you can see that option here. It's a cut option and that's a copy option. So you just have to click on copy, and now I just have to paste it. So I will open that folder and I will paste that folder here, and you can see that it's here also. So it's a copy, that's why it's available on both sides. So guys, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel Easy Fix Tech Tips. I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.